Srinagar-based human rights activists have condemned European countries for what they call blatant double standards after the announcement of a sweeping EU-Indian free trade agreement. They say that while Europe often presents itself as a global champion of human rights, its growing economic and strategic ties with India appear to ignore serious human rights violation, especially when it comes to Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Since the revocation of Article 370 and 35A in August 2019, Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir has experienced heavy militarization, arbitrary arrest, enforced disappearances, and strict suppression of dissent. Activists also note that minorities across India, including Muslims, Christians, and Dalits, they face this rising persecutions and discrimination. The concern is very much clear. Prioritizing trade over justice can undermine Europe's credibility. When economic interests start taking priority, human rights risk become a rhetorical tool rather than a guiding principle. IIOJK's ongoing crisis is again recognized by international watchdog as one of the South Asia's most serious human rights challenges. Ignoring these realities for economic gain sends a very dangerous signal that violation can be overlooked if a country is geopolitically or economically important. Activists further urge the EU to condition engagement with India on concrete human rights improvements, political freedoms, and legal protections. Without accountability measures, trade-driven policies risk emboldening repression instead of encouraging reforms. In short, when profit is prioritized over principles, it is not just the victims who suffer. Europe's credibility as a defender of human rights and international law is also put at a risk.